Welcome again. For this week's short video, I have to make it short, because here in this building, this is already my take two. That's the setback here in this building. The internet speed is only 3 Mbps. For me to upload a video that is 10 minutes will take 5 hours or more, 5 to 8 hours. That's how bad it is. So I have to keep this very short. So even in my last assignment in my online course, instead of a video, I asked my peers to be considerate that I'll submit audio assignment so that so I can I have to submit the audio so that it can be uploaded immediately because of we have a internet speed problem here, just 3 Mbps. So for this episode, we're talking about, well, let's have OC. Let's have OC. I'm not talking about obsessive compulsive, but basically I'm talking about these two things I've realized this week. I was writing my blog in advance, and these are the two things I realized. Let's have OC. It's not obsessive compulsive, but letter O is opportunity. What opportunities you should look for? Before you answer what opportunities you should look for, is the question is what is your direction? Like for example, if you are a doctor planning to become a doctor, the best way to build you up to become a doctor is to get involved with opportunities related to it, like medical outreach. If you are a salesperson, what are the opportunities do you have in line with your direction? Because your direction is to be in sales, and that's what you love, and that's what you're called for. Get involved with various organizations where you can build connections, like JCIs, JCs, Rotary, BNI, just to name a few, because you want to build connections, especially if you're selling insurance or real estate or other things related to sale. You have to look for those opportunities. If you want to go into a media career, you have to get involved with opportunities like those, like ministries, like churches have media ministries. Get involved with those because it's in line with your direction to become a media career person. Look for opportunities in line with your direction. That's why before you look for opportunities, what's your direction? That's why looking for opportunities is something we need to build ourselves up. Like in my case, this is something to do with leadership, training. I'm building my e-portfolio. What's the point of doing this short video? It's my e-portfolio. So it's in line with that. Look for opportunities in line with that. So as I try to deal with more companies, I do this regularly to build my e-portfolio. So second is letter C, which is courage. Do you struggle with courage? Do you have courage? It requires courage. Courage requires us. Basically, for me, courage, my simple definition for courage is you are willing to take manageable risk. Because everything's risky. Be sure that the risk that you're gonna take is something you can manage, or else you will suffer from it. So courage has something to do with your willingness to take manageable risk. So courage. Like for example, with the recent TV project, and right now we're planning for something for a whole season of a TV, it requires courage. It should be manageable risk. Especially in this day and age where new normal, television is being done at home, everyone's working from home. So find courage. Is it manageable? Is it a manageable risk? Like for example, the TV project I'm working on, it's something I've calculated already. It's a manageable risk. So courage has something to do with your willingness to take manageable risk. Because if the risk is not manageable, you will suffer from it. That's why be sure that it's manageable. So for this episode, let's have OC, opportunity. Before you look for the opportunity, be sure be clear with your direction. Is it sales? Is it a medical career? Is it media? Is it business? And from there, you look for opportunities related to it. Those opportunities it's usually not money making. It should be something to do with passion project, volunteerism. When you look for opportunities, be sure, I tell you, it is something that you're willing to volunteer. It should be something, a passion project that you're willing to do. Second, courage. Courage. Courage for me is your willingness to take manageable risk. Because if you're gonna take risk, be sure that you can handle it, or else you will suffer from it. Of course, it's still a risk. Manageable risk is still a risk. So it's something you are willing to manage. So let's have OC. Hope this helps. This is something I want to share for this week. Let's have OC. Thank you for joining me. Hope to see you again. God bless.